Yo, what is going on YouTube? Jordan here. I'm back again with another video. Now, after my last video, I kind of got a hook on jewelry. So I decided to pick up a couple more jewelry pieces to show y'all that, there's something that I've always been wanting to get for a while, but I never really, pulled the trigger on pieces just like this because they are a bit flashy and out there. But you know what? I said for the sake of making a YouTube video, let me go ahead and pull the trigger and grab some pieces for you and show you guys what they look like on me on camera. Now, these pieces here are from a company called Mlens New York, and they were kind enough to send these over to me to do a little review for you guys. So stick around. Let's see the pieces I got. Cue the intro. Let's get it. Alright guys, now this video is going to be short and sweet. It's going to be a quick review video for you guys. I'm not going to try to make it too long or anything like that, but I did get 3 pieces, a bracelet and 2 necklaces. Now, they did send it to me in this really cool box right here with Mlens New York written on the front right there in like a gold raised font. All 3 of the pieces come in this one box, so let me set this aside and show you piece by piece what I got. Now, each thing that I did get here is something that I personally would wear. So keep that in mind. Maybe this is not something that you personally would wear, but for me personally, I would wear these pieces. So without further ado, let me get into the first item. Alrighty guys, so the first piece that I did get is a bracelet, and this right here is a clustered tennis bracelet right here in gold plated. Now this here is a 12 millimeter thick bracelet and it is 8 inches long. So that is something that fits my wrist exactly perfectly. I don't know if you guys can tell with the light and everything. I'm gonna try and show some close-ups so you can see a little bit better, but this thing shines crazy in the light. Like, it's definitely an attention grabber. Now, this thing here has multiple layers of, I guess, simulated diamonds is what they call it on the website here. So you kind of get like multiple layers of just like flash, you know what I mean? So the way that you kind of set this thing up on your wrist is kind of cool. It has like this little like door clasp right here that you kind of like open in this little piece there and you kind of clasp it closed, which is something that really keeps it secure on your wrist. But other than that, there's not too much to say about it, other than like, this is crazy. I did not expect something like this to like flash like this crazy. Like, the diamonds kind of hit in like all different angles when it's in the light. So I'm gonna show you what this looks like on me as well, so I might put that somewhere around here. But this is the first piece that I got and I'm super happy to have this. But let me move on to the necklaces now so you guys can see what those look like on me as well. So let's get it. Moving on to the second piece that I did get, and this one here is a necklace, and it is keeping the same theme of what I just got, but a little bit smaller. Now this right here is the 10 millimeter clustered tennis chain in silver. Now this here, just like the other piece, it shines crazy in the light. I know it shines so crazy that with my ring light that I have on right here, it might even be hard to see the piece itself because these it's hard to even explain how like dope the light shines off of these right now. So so anyways, I'm gonna show you, like I said, some close-ups just so you guys can see better like what the pieces look like. But this here is a kind of like a choker chain as well, so it's gonna fit like really tight against my neck. I'm gonna show you what it looks like on, of course. But anyways, let's get straight into the details about this necklace. The first thing about this necklace is that it kind of has like these big stones set in the middle there with like a bunch of tiny little stones set all along the side, and these links here are kind of set really close together, which is something that's really cool and something that I personally like. Now, as far as putting the necklace on your neck, the clasp here has like a lobster clasp, I guess you call it, where you kind of just shove this piece in here and then you clamp down on the 2 sides just to secure the necklace in place so that the links don't disconnect or whatever. This necklace here is gonna get a lot of wear from me. So also I forgot to mention, if you like any of these pieces here, I'm gonna leave the links down below so you guys can go pick them up for yourself. But anyways guys, let me throw this on, show you what it looks like. I'm gonna show you a video around here somewhere of what it looks like. So for the sake of making this video not so long, I'm gonna throw you the last piece, and I promise you this is my favorite piece. The next piece that I'm about to show you is something that I've wanted for the longest time, so I'm super excited to have one. So let's get into it. Guys, now last but not least, my favorite piece out of all 3, and something that's a little more subtle, so I'll probably wear it a little bit more, but I'm definitely gonna wear all three of these pieces, don't get me wrong. But this is something that I've been looking for the longest time, and I was never able to find one that I really wanted to, you know, pull the trigger on, because I was always nervous about how like the quality is gonna be. Sometimes the links are terrible, sometimes the connections are terrible, the diamonds don't really shine bright, whatever. So when I picked this up, I gave it a try, and I'm super happy with how this one looks. Now, right here, I have a thin tennis chain choker. Now, this right here is something that I've been wanting for the longest time. Like, I can't even explain to you guys how long I've been wanting to pick one of these up, but the price and just everything never really settled right with me. So here's just a really thin tennis chain. I'm sure all you guys know about the tennis chains and stuff like that, and it's super thin. And what I like about this one is that the links are really like secure, like it doesn't really wiggle. Like, so you know how you get some of the links sometimes and they go and they flip on each other, and it kind of just like ruins the whole look when it's around your neck and everything. This does not do that. It is super like secure and everything, and tight, and all the links won't be moving around on your neck and stuff like that. Now, the way that you connect this together is kind of like a little like clasp right there, where you just kind of like secure it in and you press this little button to release. So super easy to put on. And of course, I'm going to show you what it looks like on me. And what I'm going to do is, you know what, I'm going to throw both necklaces on as well after, so you guys can see what they kind of look like stacked together and stuff like that. And I think that might be pretty cool. So yeah, so this right here, just like before, the diamonds shine crazy in the light. Again, more close-ups of it up close so you guys can really see the details on this. And of course, I'm going to show it to you what it looks like on me as well, and with the other necklace like I just mentioned. So alright guys, now let me just put those on for y'all so you can see what they look like, and I'll be back in just a second. So let's get it. Alright guys, now that's the end of the video for today, and I love the way that these pieces look stacked like that. I find it so crazy. But anyways guys, thank you so much. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Now, something that I do want to tell you is, if you guys want to get a little discount on pieces, if you want to decide to pick them up, use my code in the description below, and those will give you a little discount when purchasing these items. So you already know I got you guys, and you trust me, these pieces are definitely something that y'all want to pick up. So thank you so much everybody for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on this video. Let me know that you know, show me a little bit of love, and like that really goes a long way for me. So if you guys want to do that on Instagram, I'm gonna leave my Instagram for you guys right here. So with that being said, I gotta go guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace, y'all.